Hello. I hope you are doing well. My name is Kelly, and will be your guide through the video. Cryptocurrency is a hot topic lately, and so I would like to discuss with you Bitcoin, what it is, how it works, and why it is so valuable. Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto via a white paper distributed online. There is no record of what Satoshi Nakamoto actually looks like or if it is a pseudonym or a group of people. There has been a lot of speculation that Satoshi Nakamoto is actually Apple co-founder Steve Jobs. The white paper that introduces the concept of Bitcoin has been embedded in every copy of the Mac operating system, since the release of the Mojave version through the Ventura versions of the operating system. Bitcoin is like any other currency in that you can buy, sell, hold or give it away, but it was meant for privacy. You hold Bitcoin in a wallet, and you purchase it through an online exchange. Bitcoins are made by miners, who also perform a function of updating the blockchain with all of the transactions involving Bitcoin. The point of Bitcoin was to have an anonymous distributed ledger of transactions that was not controlled, monitored or alterable by any nation or individual. Miners are organizations or people who have powerful computers that have specialized mining software on them, and miners compete to solve a mathematical equation. Should a miner solve the equation, the miner gets the privilege of updating the blockchain and is presented a specific amount of Bitcoin as a reward. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please smash that subscribe button and tell me in the comments below that you have subscribed. I will get to your comments as soon as I can. Bitcoin, every 210,000 blocks in the blockchain, roughly every 4 years, goes through a halving, an anti-inflationary measure built into the mining code, where the amount of reward miners get for solving the mathematical equation gets cut in half. This provides a mechanism for less incentive to mine Bitcoin, and less miners to perform transactions on the blockchain because of the reduced reward. The past result of the halvings of Bitcoin have resulted in massive price increases. This leads me to my next point as to why Bitcoin is so valuable. Scarcity. There will only be 21 million Bitcoin ever produced. Scarcity brings value, should it be deemed valuable by those who possess it. Another reason Bitcoin is considered so valuable is due to legitimacy. 2 governments, El Salvador and the Central African Republic, have made Bitcoin its official legal tender. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has allowed Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, to be traded on the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq, for those who want to invest in Bitcoin-related securities. Other countries will be on board with their own ETF soon. Thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to like, subscribe and press the notification icon for more content. Until next time.